Guess what? I'm super excited to share this with you. I've been waiting on this box to arrive for quite some time now. So hopefully you enjoyed this experience with me. I'm super excited about what's in this box. Can you guess what it is? If you know me, I know you already know exactly what's in here. Maybe not exactly, but I know you can kind of guess at what might be in store for us to see in this box today. Check me out. Dear Mr. Lewis, thank you for your purchase and support. We hope you enjoy this very old Bible. Thanks again, Janet. Cool? Bunch of paper. Try to be a little careful, but don't have to be too careful. Look at that. Look at that. Hmm. We're guessing. Let's see. Cool, right? What we have here is actually an 1880 Martin Luther Bible. I've been super excited to get my hands on this because I plan on doing some videos that are really going to be super enlightening about Martin Luther and his Bible. A lot of misnomers and misconception being put out there about some things that this Bible really clears up a lot of those ideas. But I've been waiting on this one for about 6 months now and was finally able to find one, order it, and get it in. But pretty good condition, not missing any pages. The exterior cover somewhat worn, but that's expected. Some, especially with a Bible that was put into use and that people were actually using at some point in time. Don't know if this one has any history. One of the things I like to do is kind of thumb through Bibles after I get them, just to see if there are any treasures waiting inside. A lot of times in the past, people used to keep money inside their Bibles, letters, important documents, things of that nature. And sometimes you can flip through them and end up finding something that may be even more valuable than the actual Bible that you have acquired. So, so I'm doing right now, just kind of looking and perusing through to see if there's anything that just waiting to surprise us in here. But man, this thing's in pristine condition. Like all of its pages, no creases or stains or anything are is on any of it. So I'm super excited, super excited about this. I know many of you can't read German, and if you didn't know, uh, after I was born in 1981, I spent the next 8 years in Germany and actually started school in Germany. I'm not as fluent in German as I used to be from beginning my life there, but it's super interesting to try and bring that language back to the forefront of my mind. But super excited, super duper excited. Yeah, not seeing anything in here that really catches my attention. It's, if it was something in there at some point in time, somebody already got a hold to it, uh, which is fine. But just super excited about this good old Martin Luther Bible. Uh, One thing I'll show you before we go ahead and go is you'll find something super interesting, even though you don't know German. I'm gonna point to it right here, but you should be able to make out what this word is. See if we can get that word in there. You see that word right there? See, pages are folding up on me. There we go. Uh-huh. Think that's one of the biggest surprises that people don't know about the Martin Luther Bible. And I'm super excited to share a lot more with you about it in days to come. But in the meantime, that's it for now. Pretty cool. Super excited about it, like I said. And one of the things I love about old Bibles, man, is that smell. What happens is over time, this Bible, been 1880, uh, pages are decaying and it gives off this very, very unique scent. So if you've ever been like to the library, you'll realize that that smell of books is very, very unique. And the older these books are, the more pungent these book smells are. Another thing is the way they sound is a lot different than what we're used to as well. Uh, Pretty cool, man. Super excited. Got any questions about it? Send them to me or ask, and I'll make sure I answer them in the upcoming video. But 1880 Martin Luther Bible,